When cleaning the front element of a lens, I like to start out by shifting it around a little bit in some good light. This way, I can assess any dust, smudges, or other foreign objects I need to be aware of. My lens cleaning routine is taken in steps of severity, depending on how serious the blemish is. First, I use a blower to blow out most of the loose dust or grit. Then, I take a camel hair brush and I gently brush away anything that's left that the blower didn't get. You'll notice I'm using sort of a circular motion to get into any of the grooves of the lens, and I brush it from the inside out. The next step is to use one of these chamois pens. These usually work pretty well with most fingerprints or raindrops. After I make sure that there's no big chunks of dust or anything on here, I'll go in and I'll just very gently rub it with a circular motion. This buffs out whatever fingerprints or residue that might be on the lens. If you still have a stubborn spot on your lens that you want to get off, that's when you have to go to the liquid cleaner. I would usually recommend just one drop on the end of a Q-tip. Very gently swab the spot and then turn it around and use the dry end. That soaks up most of the residual cleaner. Now you're going to have a little bit of dry residue from that cleaner that's still on the surface of the lens. So then I get a dry Q-tip and I can just go over it again. What you're doing now is just kind of buffing that out, making sure that it's nice and clear of any residue. Afterwards, I like to go through again with the camel hair brush and just brush off any dust or Q-tip fibers that may be left on the lens. That usually gets everything nice and clean.